Madhuta is not going to join.
Yeah, I'm taking one-on-one for both of you.
Okay. So
Yeah,
what time she is
because
available?
sorry,
What time she is available?
she'll be available from 4 to 5. I
Okay.
need to just we need to adjust little bit. Okay.
In the morning is not possible for her.
Actually, I was trying to wake up today in the morning. So my shift completely changed. My shift from 7:30 to 4 o'clock. So once if I fell into the sleep at 4 o'clock, so I'm just waking up at around, 12 o'clock, something kind of. So I'm going in unconscious, very deep.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah. So we are talking about if else, right? If else done, did you try with that?
Equals. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Did you try?
yeah, I
Did you got
tried.
it?
Yeah, I got that.
So
But I
if
didn't complete that the second whatever
second
you.
scenario you didn't try.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
didn't try or you didn't complete what? You
I
didn't try.
didn't try the second scenario actually.
Okay, okay, okay. So that's fine. See, 3:30 it's time now. So till 4:30 we can connect, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. This is really good enough time. So let me make very much better for this class. It will be very much productive. Don't worry. So let me go to the document too. First, you need to understand that clearly. So that's why I mentioned steps. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is ours only, right? Next, right? Yeah, I think so. Not this, not this, not this.
You don't have a holy vacation from your side?
See, my schedule is full tight right now. Okay, so that's why I'm not planning it actually.
Mm.
Sometimes we have to just leave like that. Hmm.
Yeah, everything is important.
Yep, yep. Yeah. So let us start. If condition, if else,
I
and
understand this topic, Lokesh. I have to actually try the second
no,
scenario.
no,
It's
second
my
scenario
phone.
only. I'm going to start from second scenario,
Okay,
not
if
here.
else and okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Okay, don't worry. So my intention is you need to understand properly. That's why.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So let me just I'll correct that heading later. So first, just I'm not going to show complete practical here right now related to if condition, okay, and else condition. Just I'll write a steps for your documentation purpose. In future, if you want to go through it, it will be useful. If you want, I can continue. Else, I'll directly go to the second scenario. Is that fine? What do you want?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
I'm saying I just want to write down if else condition steps. That's it here.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So
Yeah, it's
first,
fine.
what we will do is first we'll create a. Sorry, I'm typing here. We'll create a folder, okay, with the name of if condition. If condition, okay. Next, we need to create a if need to create first we need to create a test case first. Okay, right click on the test case, right click on the test case, and then you create. Okay, what I have to create? If condition.
Yeah.
Okay, you create if condition. So in if condition we'll have a condition, right? So then also it will get then. Then next, then we'll give, we'll also put our uh, if the condition satisfies, we'll keep the condition in if condition. If the condition satisfies, it will go to the then, right?
Mm.
So then after, if not, a condition not satisfies, if condition satisfies, it will move to the then. Okay, if condition not satisfies, condition not satisfies, it will go, it will move to the else. That's it. Okay, let me finish this. Okay, the remaining I'll add some masala and screenshots later. Okay, so far
Yeah.
this is enough. And so we are going to see something related to second scenario. Okay, let me open. Checkout tree.
Today in Kolkata, we facing a earthquake.
Is it? Oh. Okay.
It's heavy earthquake is there today.
So when you are not available?
Maybe from tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm traveling to home.
Okay. Jharkhand.
Yeah, Jharkhand.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
From Monday, all the festival are going to be started. Maybe.
Mm-hmm. Just do one thing. Once after finishing this class, if you get a free time, just drop me when you are not available and again when you will be available. So accordingly, I'll plan. Okay.
From next week, I'm completely not available. Actually,
Oh my God. You know.
I
Uh,
will try to connect with phone, but I'm not carrying the laptop. So
okay. So better, but you should be. I don't have any problem if you connect with the phone, but you should be attentive. Okay. So if you can do that, you can use phone also. At least you just spend 1 hour time or 45
okay.
minutes time, then it is fine. If you watch from your mobile is also, it doesn't affect. But the thing is, you should be attentive. You should not do multiple tasks at a time. That's what I request you.
Okay, okay, sure.
So if you can able to do that only, we can continue. So otherwise, if you get a gaps, what happens is it will take too much,
Monday I
already.
will be available, but on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Tuesday maybe also available, but Wednesday maybe I'm completely not there. I will ping you
So do
whatever
one
the
thing,
availability.
every day, for suppose if you are available, please ping me. So then
Okay,
I'll
okay, sure.
plan. If not available, also please ping me. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So this is the project. Let me create here. I'll create here. If yeah, let's take one particular folder. If else, okay. If condition, I'll write like this properly. If condition, and sorry, else if if condition. Okay, I'll keep like that. So, yeah. So now just create a test case. Create a test case. Name it. Name it. If else. Okay. This is a test case name. Suppose if the suppose let us take our application. I'll open the application. Okay. So let me log in here. So you just need to understand the scenario. Suppose I'll give user credentials. This is user credential and write password. What happens? Huh? Kritika,
Sorry.
I'm saying if you give
Yeah.
proper credential, proper email, write password, what happens next?
Then condition is satisfied.
Yes, condition satisfied in the sense we can directly log in with the
Yeah.
proper credentials.
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose if you give the valid credentials with the valid password, then you can successfully log in. This is first case, right? Next
Yeah.
case is suppose, but if you give invalid user credentials, suppose I'll give you next it is something. I'll remove entire gmail.com. Okay. Is this valid? No.
No.
Enter the valid email address. So what happens? Our Tosca should come and verify this. Okay. This is first step. Next, Tosca will come and check password. So now I'll give wrong password. Okay. Or this is one scenario. First point is your email should be not valid and password should be valid. So then it will show this error message. Next one is your email should be valid and your password should be different, something invalid. Clear? Login was unsuccessful. Please correct the errors and try again. The credentials provided are incorrect. Second one. And third one is both are incorrect. Both are incorrect also, same, it will show the same. Something like this. Here, error message it's appeared. Here also error message appeared. Okay, these scenarios, three scenarios. First one is successful login credentials. Second one is invalid username, and third one is invalid password. Okay, this we are going to deal with this. Okay, there is
Okay.
a case to check the valid. Okay, valid email is getting or not. First one is our email is valid or not. We need to check whether email is valid or not. This is what my focus. If the valid data, you should log in. If the valid data is there, you should log in. But if you give the incorrect data, you will get error message. This is what we're gonna verify it. Just we are verifying, okay? We are verifying with the error message. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So what are the scenarios? First scenario is valid username and password. If you allow me, definitely I'll write it down. Otherwise, let's go continuously. Okay. First, let me tell you. First, valid username.
Yeah.
I'll write it down here. Valid username. Okay. And valid password.
Password. Yeah.
So if you give like this, what happens? Successful message will get. Successful, no message. Just you log in successfully. Okay. Log in successfully. This is one scenario. However, we are already dealing with this every day, correct?
Yes.
Next one is invalid username. Invalid username. What happens in the invalid username? Should get the invalid username error message. I've shown you right now. We have seen that, right? Next one
Yeah.
is invalid password. Okay. Password. This is another scenario. Okay. So you should get the invalid.
Is the name error message.
No, password. This is password related, right? Invalid password in the sense invalid password error message display,
Yeah.
right?
So proper error message is
Yeah,
displayed.
proper error message. So let's do. Can you tell me how to handle this? Any just take very short time and try to explain, or else we can continue. Just try to think when.
For this scenario, right?
Hmm, how to handle
We,
this?
yeah, we can use the if else condition, and
Yeah.
we can also like we are going to scan the error message and
Yes. 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 That already I explained you. The same one we are going to do it now. Okay. So let us try to do. So after clicking login link here, after clicking login link, so we have to enter username and password and click on login button. That is successful. Next. So first what we will do is, let me try to uh, create, 1 second. Let me do one thing. I need login credentials. Okay, I'll copy from here. Okay. User login credential. I want user login credential. Nothing else. Open URL, not this. Click on login link. User login. Yeah, these are all user login credentials. Copy. Okay. Paste.
uh,
Paste in your current test case. Just I'm just instead of scanning, I'm just directly utilizing whatever available currently with me. Okay. So let me take open URL also. Uh, Let me take open URL also. Let me take this copy and paste here. Okay. Open URL. Click on login link. Click on login link also needed, right? Then let's copy. Okay. Let me make it a proper sequence. First one is open URL, right? Let me keep open URL here. Next, after that, enter the credentials. Correct. Click on login link where it is. Yeah, here it is. This is right sequence, right? First it will
yeah.
open URL. After that it will click in, and after that it will. Okay, that's fine. This is fine. Right? This is these steps I want to keep. Next, now it is coming to the topic. Let's try to right click on this. Click on this if condition. Yes. In the if condition, just enter it. Expand this automatically. You will see the condition, and then to satisfy the condition, you need to keep the condition here, right? If the login credentials are valid, okay, it will log in and verify it. If not valid, if you give not valid, sorry, if not valid credentials, it will pop up some error message. Correct. So,
Yes.
but we have password and we have user. Then if anything invalid, it will pop up the error message. Even if you have email ID proper, that's fine. But if you have invalid password also, you'll get error message. Correct? In these
Yes.
two scenarios, we'll get error message. One scenario, automatically it will go and it will click on login link, and a successful login will happen. Okay. So now let's do one thing. The next, in the condition step, now in the condition, a logged in user is there or not. It will check. In the condition what will logged in user is there or not. It will check. Okay. If there is login is if there is a login successfully, okay, what happens in the condition logged in user? What logged in user is there or not? Check. Okay. If there is not login successfully, if there is login in successfully, no problem. It is verification success. If not there, it might be login username. Okay. Or else password problem. If email is correct, password is correct, it will log in successfully. If login is email is fine, but password is not correct, which means password is incorrect. Okay. So let us do one thing. First I'll try to log in. I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you one thing, just wait. Yeah, I need to copy this. Let me log in properly. First step, what we are doing is, once you log in successfully, it will verify the logged in user, verify already existed one. First step, it will verify it. This we let us scan this first initially. Okay, we'll go to the module. Initial first one is already logged in. You successfully, if the valid user and credentials, it will log in and it will scan this. Okay, and it will verify and success. That's it. For successful scenario, I'm saying. Next one, what I will do is go to the demo web shop, right click on here, application. Let me try to scan this because successfully logged in user, right? Successfully logged in user, and it will scan it and it will verify it successfully and it will come out. That's it. One scenario will be finished. So logged in user failure and logged in user invalid user we did not tried yet. Just we are trying for successful scenario. Okay, let me try to scan this. Mhm. Yeah, scan this. Let me try to keep here. I'll rename it. Okay, logged in user something. Okay, logged in user. I mentioned here logged in user. Simply finish it. Okay, close this. Close it. Next, go to the modules. This is the one. So let me try to uh, drag this and drop in the condition. Okay, I kept in the condition. In the condition, what I have to do, I need to verify it whether it is exist or not. Correct. I'm just checking once after login, whatever the email is there, that email successfully logged in or not. We are just verifying in the if condition. If you could not log, if it is not verified, first condition, if you are enter proper email and email ID and password, so Tosca will come and it will verify the email is success correct. That's fine. Okay. Then it will execute the if condition. Then what happens if this successfully not logged in? Okay, or it could not able to identify, what it will show, your email is not valid. That will be, we will keep that in else condition. Okay, so far we are verifying it whether it is successful or not. So what we have to do, we need to check with the existing property. We'll use existing. What is that? True. Yes, if it is true, what happens? Automatically the condition will be executed. Okay, if the logged in user exists, in our condition it is existed. Okay, we will check the logged in user spelling correct or not, or else it is exist or not. Let us spelling also, I'll also do some spelling also. Okay, for that what I will do is, mm, same logged in username and password. I'll do one thing. So I'm doing here two scenarios. First scenario, in if condition, it will check the whether it is exist or not. In second time, in the if it is existed, that fine. Next, whether the spelling is correct or not. I'm going to checking with the spelling also. Let me try to drag this and drop in the. I'm just verifying only. I'm just doing verification here. Actually, one verification with the existed or not. Here another verification with the action mode. Exist inner text is existed or not. I mean inner text spelling correct or not. No confusion, right? Kritika?
Yeah, I got it.
You got it, right? Yeah. What I'm saying, first condition, we are verifying the email ID is there or not. Second condition, we are verifying the spelling. That's it. That's it. Finished. Correct?
Yeah,
That's it. Uh, this is one scenario. If the logged in user is there or not, it will verify. Okay. Next one. What I will do is, I'll after verifying it, it will go log out and close the browser. Simple, right? For that, what I have to do? I need to copy log out and close browser. Where is here? It is there. Let me copy this. This might be logged in logout. Huh? Any logout is fine. Huh? Did you try with that? Copy, and where I need to paste all those stuff, we have to paste in then paste it. Okay. So logged in, this is logged out, and this is closed browser. That's fine. So this is a scenario. So shall we run this? I'll try to run. Let me close
yeah.
this, and it will open URL. Let me cross check with the values. Open URL, email ID, click on. That's, yeah, it looks fine. That's good. Two scenarios we should have, right? Where is one? Another one. Then two are there. Why it is not showing here? That's fine. Okay, let me try to run this. It's failure because maybe what is it? Let's see. Click on login link. No matching tab was found. Okay, understood. Understood. Click on login link. Go to the jump model. I'll give here. Already it is there. Huh? Why it is not finding login link? Mm, login details. Click on login. Yeah, this is the one, right? Okay. Okay. How to handle this? Any suggestions? Hmm?
Why we are getting this error?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It is not going and it is not trying to click on login button. Oh, because
Okay,
we
two
have
tabs. Yeah,
two
yeah.
tabs available. That's the reason. So I don't want to. Okay, it is continuing. I have already started. One second. Let this go. Let this end this. Okay, no problem. Okay, that's fine. So let me go to the test case and go to the jump module. I have changed here. I'll remove this. and keep demo and star, enter, save this, go back, and here I'll close. Okay, this is already closed, no problem. Let me try to run now. Run the ScratchBook. Again, problem with something. Synchronization failed. Okay, let me remove this login link. I'll take from here. Okay, open URL after that, this login link. Okay, click on login link, save this, entering credentials. That's fine. Let me try. Synchronization failed. This error actually we faced earlier. So let me try to save all those stuff. Check in all. Okay. Let me close Tosca and open it again. Tosca. Yeah. Okay. That's fine. Let us try to do it now. See, can you see this, Kritika? So that is not synchronization failure. That is some problem with the Tosca.
Okay.
So that is wrong error actually. Wrong software. Sometimes what happens is these are all test softwares, right? So it is not enterprise,
Hmm.
right? You understood that's the I did not touch anything synchronization related issue. Just closed Tosca commander and opened it. The same problem happened with the Madhumita also. So don't scare with this synchronization timeout issues.
Okay.
There's nothing. It's just simple. I just closed and opened. But error was wrong error. That is wrong error. Okay. So let me tell you something here. So far, successfully we have done. Have you noticed that?
Yeah.
Yes. Which means successfully entered and successfully it has gone and it is verified with the email. Okay. Tosca understood that. Yeah, email is existed. That's fine. Next, it is gone. It has gone to the then condition, and there it is verified whether the correct spelling or not. After verifying, it logged out and came out. You understood? Which means
Yes.
successfully we have completed if condition. So now what you have to understand, you need to understand that else condition we haven't used. Okay. So let us try with the else condition. Okay. So far we have created if condition and we did not mention any else condition. So we have to give the else condition. Just try to give the else condition here. Right click on this. Else. In the else, what we have to do? We have two scenarios, right? As I mentioned earlier. What are those? One is username error, one is email error,
Password.
password error.
Yeah.
Username invalid error, you can say. Password invalid error, you can say. So
Yeah.
we are going to deal with these two, both of them right now. So one note, just keep in mind. In else, we in else we create another if condition, but in one if condition, we cannot keep two else's. Understood? Actually, in this scenario, you have two, right? Two cases here. How can we keep here? If condition satisfied, that's fine. But next, what is do? What it will do? It will go to the email and it will enter. If you get error, it will goes to the else condition. That's fine. But we have another else also. Password is not valid, right?
Uh,
Two
yeah.
errors are there, right? This is one error. Okay, this is one error, and one more. This is one error also. Two actually we have. So we can't keep two else's, right?
Yeah.
So
So
that
in else we have the multiple if, but in if we can't have the multiple else.
else's, right? In else we can create one more if condition. Correct? Let's
Yeah.
create if condition in else. Okay. In this else, we are going to create one more if condition. But in one if we can't create more two else's else conditions. Correct? So so now what we will do, if it is successfully login, you might have two reasons. One, if it is not successful, two reasons. One is username error, one is password error. So now let us scan first this invalid error message. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me do one thing. I'll also expand this. We need to keep whatever we will get, that we need to verify in the condition statement. So let us go to, where is that? Demo web shop. Yeah, let me try to scan this. Go to the application. Yep. Scan. Okay. Let me go back basics. For everything, advance is not required, Kritika. So this is small step, right? We don't need to keep in go with advanced. Okay. So
Okay.
this I'll scan this, and it is not unique. What we will do? We have to check with the technical properties initially. I'll check here only. No. Yes, it got it. Automatically got it, right? If you have
Yeah.
option here, why should we go all do all these index, all this anchor, all the image? No need to make complicate, right? Simple. Finish it. Array. I did not change the name, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. So I'll keep here invalid username. Invalid user name. Sorry. Invalid username. Okay. So now what we have to do? We will take one more scenario. Okay. That is password, right? Invalid password error. So however we are scanning, we can scan both. Let me keep valid email ID. Next IT. Where is it? Yeah, this is the one. And this is wrong password I am typing, okay? Wrong password. use this. See this? This we can scan. Let me try to scan application. Scan. Okay. So you see here, just to scan this, right? What is the name? Let us rename here. Invalid password error message. Invalid password error message and finish it. We just scanned and kept in the module so far. So let me try to close this and try to drag and drop into the condition. Let me, where is that? Invalid. Okay, this is the one. Okay. Let me try to drag this. Okay. Okay. So if you log in with the valid username and password, definitely you will get the logged in user. After that, it will go to the then, okay, and it will check the inner text correctly getting or not. If the logged in user, and it will close and it will give the positive flow in this. Here, in case if you give the incorrect username, okay, then it will verify the username, incorrect username. Okay, first it will verify the incorrect username. If you give the correct password, incorrect password, it will verify the incorrect password. Okay. So we will give else condition already done. Okay. Sorry, we have to give the else condition. So if not successful attempts, it might incorrect username or it might incorrect password. Yeah, I just kept here condition invalid username here. So it will check whether the incorrect username error message is there or not. Then only it will verify that Tosca will get to know, oh, this is not valid email, something kind of. How Tosca can identify? By seeing this error message only, so Tosca can identify that, okay, that means email got wrong, something went wrong. Email, incorrect email is there. That's how Tosca can understand. Okay, so that's fine. So next, what to do? The same here, what I will do is here first I dragged and dropped on top of condition. In this condition, what we are doing in this condition? Mm, I'll rename it actually first. Properly, I'll make it properly. Verify invalid username error message is exist or not. I'll verify here. Okay. What I will do, verify. How to verify? Using exist true. That's it. Next, same. I'll use same and I'll paste in then. So then what I will keep here? Invalid user error message is there or not. That's what just here I am checking whether it is exist or not. Okay. So next one, what we will do? We will verify invalid username error message inner text. So however we have texted here, checked here, with two ways we have checked here. We have checked here with the whether it is exist or not. Second one is we have checked here whether it is spelling correct or not. Here also same. The same error message. Where is that? Drag and drop on top of then also. What I will do is I will check whether exists this verify we will verify that invalid username error message inner text. Okay. Verify invalid username error message inner text. Okay. So what I will verify, how should I verify here? Using inner text. Okay. Just to verify here. Inner text. What is the inner text here? This is what it will verify with the inner text. Inner text. You can also copy from here, but I'm just taking both are same, right? That's why I'm keeping like this. If you want, you can copy from here with a like this. But I have it is available. That's why I copied and pasted here. Understood? You understood, right? So incorrect username message is there. That's fine. Here it is checking whether it is there or not. That's it. It is there. That's fine. Now here checking with the just verifying with the two different properties and nothing else, Kritika. Okay, that's fine. Now let us try with the password. This is actually if condition. Next, what we have to do? We need to create else condition, that is final with the password, correct? If not there password error message, so then else condition will keep the invalid password error message. Okay, so we need to create else. See here, else. This is else. Created else and go to the module. This is in password, invalid password error message. Drag this and drop on top of else. Clear? What we are doing here? Let me rewrite properly. Invalid password error message. That's okay. Fine. It is looks good. Okay. So here, what verify we have to do? What is verification here? This one. We will verify with the inner text only. Verify and state property. Inner text. Sorry. State property. Inner text. This is okay. Let us check all. This also we have done, right? This is fine. This is fine. And this is fine. Okay, 3 steps we have done. Okay. So let us cross check here with the flow. Can you see this? Can you see this? See here, open URL. So it will open the URL and it will go to the demo web shop. So same, whatever we mentioned, this is exactly that it is showing in the flow diagram. Okay, it will
Okay.
log in and it will open enter credentials. Yes. Okay. If the condition satisfies, it will logged in user. If the condition not satisfies, if the condition satisfied, it just go and it will verify and it will close the browser. That's it. If not condition satisfies, it will go to the else block. Again, it will go to the condition in the if. What is there in that condition in the if? Verify invalid username error message is there not? It will check. How it will check? It will verify it. That's it. Exist or not. That is verification action mode we have used. If it is okay, there are two scenarios again. The condition steps passed, that's fine. If the condition step passed, that will also check the inner text whether it is valid or not. That's it, it will close. If the condition not satisfied, it will go to the else block and it will check the invalid password error message also. Here it is checking with the username and password both, nothing else. Clear? Understood?
Yeah.
Can you
Hmm.
please explain this? You can explain me, you explain better.
Yeah, we are going to validate our three scenario. First, we
Hmm.
are going to validate the valid username and the password. If they are successful,
Hmm.
then browser is going to be closed.
Hmm.
And second scenario is we are entering the wrong username.
Hmm.
And the third one, we are the same executed the invalid password.
Hmm.
And also we are going to check, verify the message. The error message is going to be verified is proper or not, or text is proper or not in the message.
Hmm. Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, okay. Shall we run? I hope this works. I need to pray God because this my Tosca command, you know already. How does it behave? Okay. Let me go and close this. I'll try to run ScratchBook. Now you can practice, right? I don't know. Actually, my Tosca is not. I could not able to uninstall Tosca also in my system. That is a big problem I'm facing. Actually, it will fail. Why? Because I forgot to mention click on login link.
Okay.
It will fail. I forgot actually. Directly I just. Mhm. Okay, understood. It just checked internally. It is not. I did not mention that, right? You see. Let us expand this. Sorry. Try to expand this. See this? So verification is not done here because we forgot to mention login, I think. See here, can you, are you able to see this?
But we are clicking on the login, na? The second scenario or
Oh,
first
okay,
one?
okay. Yeah, yeah. First scenario, we have done it properly. One second, I'll
Yeah.
tell you. First scenario, it is clicked on login URL. It is clicked on open URL. It is clicked on login. After that, it could enter all the credentials. Okay. If the condition satisfied and it is closed browser, okay, that is one step done automatically. After that, what it has done, verification is successful or not. It has gone, it logged in and it has gone verification whether this email is exist or not. This is one, and it also went inside.
Hello. Lokesh, I'm audible.
Kritika, I'm sorry, actually power gone here. I connected with the mobile now.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so let us continue. So yeah, So next, once after finishing very successful verification, so
Your
again it
screen is
came.
not visible, Lokesh.
Again, I need to share it again. Yep, you can see now.
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay, so let me try to check here. 1 second. These are all not executed, right? Can you see?
Yeah.
Not executed those. Okay, so we'll do one thing. Let me cross check here in the test case. If condition, let me go to details. Condition logged in user, then no, logged in user. Okay, it will check here. Click on logout and close browser. I'll do one thing. I'll not close the. I'll remove. I'll disable this. Okay. I don't want to close this. Instead of keeping you open URL again. So I'll just disable this. Okay. Simple, right?
Okay.
So let me run it again. Simple, nothing else. This is simple. Big problems. There are simple solutions. Right. Let me run it again. Let's see now. It will verify whether this email is there or not. After that, yes, successfully done. Where is that? Till here it is okay. Again, it is closed. Browser? No. Okay. Why it is not executing? Did you see? If
Yeah.
this condition not executed, is condition not executed? I don't know. Let me check once again. Uh, else, else in else if condition, in the condition I have given verify email, invalid user error message. That's okay. Next, then no verify invalid user error message. Okay, that it will text invalid message. Next, it will go to the else invalid user. That's fine. I'll close this browser. Cut to paste here. Understood. There is simple logic. 1 minute. Click on logout. Uh, after logout only, again it will try to log in, right? Enable this. Copy and paste. Okay. So this is fine. Mm-hmm. Any guesses where we are getting message? Error is not throwing actually. Problem is that.
So we have to put one logic now, refresh the browser and then.
Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, we'll see that. First, let me re-verify this here. First, if condition, then next else. In the else, again if condition. In this condition, verify invalid username exists or not. Okay, it is verifies. Yes. After that, again, then it will verify in a text. Okay. Let me do one thing. I'll copy this. I'll paste here. Paste here. Okay. And else also invalid user login. Okay. That's fine. Looks fine. So let me close it again. Log out. Close. I'll close this. Let me rerun. Save this. Run the ScratchBook. Yes, it's worked. See, or not?
Your voice is breaking.
Oh. Yeah, it's done. You understood, right? See here,
Yeah.
verification was successful, verification was successful, both condition. Okay.
Yes.
So this is how you need to handle this kind of cases. So Kritika, you have to do this. So tomorrow you are disappearing. So I don't know when you will
Yeah.
do practice. Do it today only.
Yeah, I'll try.
Hmm? Yeah,
Yes.
please do that. Okay. That's it. Next we'll see loops. Okay.
Okay. So I have one question. We have to use the multiple if condition or only two if condition under the else?
Under the else, first this is separate. This is separate scenario. Okay.
I'm
So
not
in
talking
if
about this
condition,
scenario. I'm just
no, I'm
asking
coming
the
there. I'm coming
yeah.
there. In the else condition, so if you want, you can use. Here in my case, I have used only one if condition. If you want, you can use one more if if you want, you can use also.
Okay.
Okay. If else condition, not only one if. If else condition, you have to use. If condition in sense, you have to close that right condition.
Yeah.
Hmm. In the else you can use if else condition. In the else also nested if else, right? This one. In the else you can give if else condition one more time.
Hmm.
Understood? Not here. In the else we have used if else condition. Again, if you want to check one more condition, you just in the else condition you can use one more if else condition
Okay. Okay. Got it.
like that. Okay, but now in this our scenario we don't have that kind of your question case, right?
Yeah. Okay.
I hope you understood. I think do practice. Maybe theoretically not much strong, but still practically do more strong. Okay. I hope you understood the concept, right?
Yes. Yes. I got that.
Mm. So we have checked with the three different scenarios. One is successful username and password. Another one is username invalid that we have verified with the whether this invalid error messages exist or not. And after that, in the then we have used inner text verification. Okay, that is if. Okay, in else what we have done, in else we have verified with the wrong password, which means invalid user password, error message. Okay, after that it came out.
Yes, Lokesh, I clear about it.
Okay, do practice, Kritika, and please let me
Yeah.
know, update your timings, and we can connect next time. Okay,
Yeah, sure, sure.
yeah,
Thank you.
take care, happy Holi, and
You
enjoy
too. Thank
with
you.
your family. Yeah, yeah. Take care, enjoy that colors and blossomness, everything you should be get into your life. Always be happy, be colorful.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And same to
Yeah,
you.
yeah. Thank you, Kritika. Take care, happy Holi. Take care, bye
Yeah,
bye.
happy Holi. Bye bye.